here we see the next point, that is a molecularity of a elementary reaction. So what is the molecularity? Molecularity means number of molecules involved into the reactions, and the elementary reaction means the elementary reaction is nothing but the reaction occurs in a single step and cannot be broken down further into simpler reactions. So the elementary reactions are the reactions which occurs in a single step and they are not further broken down into simpler reaction. So suppose for this we are going to take the example, that is a O3 gas gives O2 gas plus O gas. Now this is the single step reaction, or the example is a C2H5I gas gives C2H4 gas plus HI gas. So further this reaction is not broken into simpler or into simpler reactions. So that is a reaction called as a elementary reaction that occurs in a single step. Now whenever we are considering the complex reaction most probably organic chemistry involving the complex reaction, because some of the reactions are takes place in 2 or 3 or 4 steps. So the complex reactions are nothing but the reactions that constitute a series of elementary reactions. So for one reaction, second reaction, third reaction, fourth reaction, and then reaction is completed. So the complex reaction is nothing but the reactions that constitute a series of elementary reaction. So we are considering the molecularity of elementary reaction. So molecularity, so number of molecules in an elementary reaction. So how many number of molecules are involved into the elementary reactions is nothing but the molecularity of the reaction, or number of reactant particles or reactant molecules taking part in the elementary reaction is known as the molecularity of elementary reaction. So for that we are considering the example, that is a O3 gas plus O gas gives twice of O2 gas. So here the two molecules, that O3 molecule and O molecule is reacting with each other. So two molecules are involved into the reaction, or the second example in which twice of NO2 gas. So here again two molecules of NO2 are involved into the reaction. So the reaction is a bimolecular reaction. So previous point what we consider, that is the order and the molecularity. So that is order. So order is a nothing but the sum of the powers of the molar concentration in the rate law expression, and molecularity is nothing but the number of molecules involved into the elementary reaction. So for that we are going to take the example, that is a twice of NO2 gas gives twice of NO gas plus O2 gas. Now the rate again I am saying that it is experimentally determined quantity. Okay, so experimentally it is found that rate of that reaction is equal to K molar concentration of NO2 to the power of 2. So to the power of 2 means here that power is a if you are going to consider the x and y, the powers for the order, so the power is 2. So the reaction is of a second order, and as the reaction involves two molecules of NO2, the reaction is a bimolecular reaction. So we are saying that order of the reaction is 2 and molecularity of reaction is also 2. Now suppose we are considering the C2H5I gas gives C2H4 gas plus HI gas. So again experimentally rate law is found to be rate equal to K in bracket C2H5I, that is molar concentration of C2H5I. Then here no power is here means we are determined as a 1. So reaction is of a first order, and the reaction involving here one molecule of the C2H5I. So it is a unimolecular reaction. So the order of the reaction is a first order and it is a unimolecular reaction. But every time order and molecularity are not same. It may be or it may not be the same. Okay, the next point we are going to see, that is a rate determining step. So that rate determining step is involved into the complex reaction, because when we are considering the complex reaction, that complex reactions involves number of elementary reactions. So elementary reactions steps are involving 1, 2, 3, or that depends on the reaction, which type of reaction is there, the steps are involving. So that complex reactions has involves many complementary elementary reactions. One of that elementary reaction step is slower than the other elementary reaction step. So which is the slowest step is the nothing but the rate determining step. So the slowest step from that complex reaction of elementary reactions is the rate determining step. That slowest step determines the rate of the reaction. So for that one, we are considering the example that is the twice of NO2Cl gas gives twice of NO2 gas plus Cl2 gas. So this reaction occurs in two steps. That is a NO2Cl first steps NO2Cl gas with that rate constant, that is K1, gives the product that is NO2 gas plus Cl gas. So the Cl gas in the second reaction, that is a NO2Cl gas plus Cl gas involved into the second step reaction with the rate constant K2, we are getting the NO2 gas plus Cl2 gas. That is a fast reaction. So first one is a slow reaction, second one is a fast reaction. So overall reaction, if we are going to consider, that is a twice of NO2Cl gives twice of NO2 gas plus Cl2 gas. So this out of two steps, the first step is a slow step. So that step is a rate determining step. So first step is a rate determining step. So rate law for this equation we are going to write, that is a rate equal to K molar concentration of NO2Cl. So here that power is nothing but the one power should be there. So that overall order of the reaction is of a first order. So the next point, that is a reaction intermediate. Reaction intermediate means what? The species which is formed in a one step and consumed in the next step represents the reaction intermediate. So many of the reactions are involving reaction intermediate, in which the one of the step that reaction intermediate is formed, and in the next step it is consumed, and then that is known as a reaction intermediate, and that reaction intermediate is not appear in the rate law. Okay, here we are going to see the difference between the order and the molecularity. So the order is nothing but the externally determined quantity, because here whenever we are considering the rate expression, that is the externally determined rate expression is considered for the order of the reaction, and the molecularity is nothing but the when we are considering the any reaction in which that how many reactant molecules are there. So we are considering that is a theoretical quantity. The second one is it is a sum of powers of concentration terms of reactant, those appears in a rate equation. So that is nothing but the x and y. Last point we are considering about the order, that is the sum of powers of concentration term of a reactant which appears in the rate equation. And the molecularity is nothing but the how many number of reactant molecules involved into the reaction or into the taking part into the elementary reaction are nothing but the molecularity. Order may be integer, fraction, or a zero. We already seen the examples for the different orders of the reaction, and the molecularity it is always an integer. Okay.